Hey families, Mr. Dennerin back again. Make sure this thing is on. Yeah, it is on. Make sure Mr. Dennerin back again for another lesson today in fourth grade math. Today we're going to focus on adding mixed numbers. Okay, a mixed number again is a number that's a whole that has a fraction with it. We're going to work on adding mixed numbers, the strategies that we use, and some of the challenges we may see when we're adding mixed numbers. Okay, so we're going to start off with adding. Let's go with two. I always use two, right? And 3/4 plus one whole and another 3/4. Okay, strategy that we use is we use our whole and fraction chart. Whole fractions. You have two wholes right here, 3/4, put your adding sign plus 1 and 3/4. Okay, so again, the thinking of adding mixed numbers is the same type of thinking that you use when you add a regular number. So just to sidetrack real quick, if I were to add 46 plus 16, this plus this is 12. We have the 2, we carry the 1, 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So we have 62. All right. That bundling of 10 ones and we give it to the 10 is the same thing that we kind of do with um, adding a mixed number. So we start off again with our fraction side because it's the smallest unit. 3/4 plus 3/4 is 6/4. So now we're in a predicament where we have 6/4. All right. We technically you can keep 6/4 right here, add these two together, and do this. But we're aligning it so the kids can get ready for fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grade, and eighth grade. And the kids will probably tell you that I don't allow um, a whole with a improper fraction because you're bundling and you're regrouping, and we're trying to set you up for place value. So we're not going to do that, all right? Because we want excellence. So 3/4 plus 3/4, we know that's 6/4. You put that 6/4 to the side. Now you have to do some pulling out, all right? Your students may need to do this until they become more fluent in it. You need to pull out 4/4, and what's left over from 4/4, 2/4. This is one whole, all right? You take that one whole, you pull that right, you put that right there. You take that 2/4, you put that right there. So now you're going to add 1 plus 2 plus 1. That answer is 4. And now we know that our answer is equal to 4 wholes and 2/4, which is also equal to 4 wholes. And that 1 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2. Um, Understanding simplifying, kids may not understand simplifying. I'm going to refresh us on simplifying, how I know to simplify. All right. I'm gonna come up with a random problem again. Let's see if we can something comes up to where I can simplify it. All right. So let's go with 5 and 2/6 plus 3, and we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go really high. We're gonna go 3 and 5/6. Again, make our whole and fraction chart. We're using that same thinking. Wholes, fractions, 5 and 2/6 plus 3 and 5/6. Okay. Again, we start off on our fraction side because our fractions are less than a whole. 2/6 plus 5/6. What does that give us? 7/6. We put that to the side because we know that this is an improper fraction. So now we got to do some pulling out. 6/6. That's one whole. I know it's a lot. It's kind of tedious. What's left over? 1/6. You take that one whole, put it right here. What I tell kids to, make sure you cross that out, that you know you put that one whole over there. All right? That 1/6, cross that out because you know that 1/6 is coming right here. So now we have 1/6. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. All right, so I'm going to break down those steps again. We put our numbers in our whole and fraction chart, added 2 6 plus 5 6, that gave us 7 6. That's an improper fraction, which is more than one whole. We pulled out 6 6 because 6 6 is equal to one whole. After we pulled out 6 6, 1 6 was left. 6 6 plus 1 6 equals 7 6. That one whole we put over here. That 1 6 we put over here. Then we added our wholes, and we got 9 and 1 6. Let's do one more. All right. Again, kids, slow it down. Parents, slow it down. Rewind it. If I'm going through this a little bit too fast, slow it down. Rewind it. Go back and watch. Pause where you need to catch up on or see where I made you made your error on, or just need to see it again. Okay. All right. Again, we're gonna go up. So let's go to eighths. All right. We're gonna go 3 and 5 eighths plus 2 and 7 eighths. All right. Whole and fraction chart comes out. 3 and 5 eighths go right here. 2 and 7 eighths plus 2 and 7 eighths goes right here. Okay, we start off our fraction side because that's our smallest. 5 eighths plus 7 eighths. That gives us 12 eighths. All right, that's an improper fraction because we know that this numerator is bigger than our denominator. That's an improper fraction. We got to do some extraction and pull out the whole. So we have 8 eighths. All right, if I have 8 eighths was here, what's going to give me to 12 eighths? 4 eighths. Right, that 8 eighths is one whole. We're going to regroup that to our whole side. Right, now that we've grouped that to our whole side, we drop 4 eighths right here. Right, that's 4 eighths. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, equal to 6 and 4 eighths. Oh, we have another problem where we can simplify the fraction. All right, so how I know that we can simplify and teaching your kids how to simplify going into higher grades. If you look at your denominator and you look at your numerator, they share a special relationship. They share a special bond. And that bond and that relationship that they share is that they are factors and multiples of each other, meaning that 8 is a multiple of 4, 4 is a factor of 8, right? So what can I do? I can divide 4 by 4 and 8 by 4. So if I divide 4 by 4, so my 6 right here, divide 4 by 4, that is 1. And I divide 8 by 4, that is 2. So that is equal to 6 and 1/2. Also, there's also a 1/2 drill that kids should know. 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 10/10, 6/12, 17/14. Like you should just you should just know these drills, kind of like all these are equal to 1/2 because those fractions share the same amount of space. All right, so this is our 3 problems we did, but Mr. Denley cannot let you go without giving you a problem that you can answer and put in the comment section. All right, to see who has mastered it. All right, this one may give us a bonus question. I'm also new to the YouTube thing, so there's going to be I'm going to try to put it here or here on how to make decimals. All right. Um, I'm going to give us a bonus question. All right. So this bonus question, I want you to drop the answer in the comments. 5 and 7/10 plus 2 and 8/10. What does that equal? I want you to write the mixed number in here in the comments and the decimal. What is that as a mixed number and in decimal form? Again, you get that right, first 5 comments that get it right, see Mr. Denerin, you're gonna get a special prize. Who knows what this prize is gonna be? Thank you again for watching these math videos. Have a nice one.